In a crowded city filled with noise, people believed horns were normal. Near a busy road stood a huge old banyan tree. For many years, birds built nests on its branches. Dogs slept under its shade. Children played nearby. But now, the peaceful road had become a noisy highway. Honk, honk, paw! The sounds shook the air every second. A small sparrow living on the tree became frightened every day. Its babies could not sleep. The nest trembled whenever trucks passed. One day, the baby birds fell from the nest because of the sudden loud horn of a bus. The mother bird cried helplessly. Nearby lived an old grandfather named Raghavan. He had heart problems. Doctors told him to stay calm and peaceful. But every day, loud horns disturbed him. Even school children suffered. While studying, they could hear constant noise from outside. A little boy named Arjun covered his ears and asked his mother, "Why do people shout using horns all the time?" His mother had no answer. Slowly, people became more angry, stressed, and impatient because of constant noise. Patients could not rest peacefully. Street dogs began trembling whenever trucks passed. A cow crossing the road suddenly panicked because of a loud horn and almost got hit by a car. Cats ran away in fear. Even monkeys left the area, searching for quieter places. The city that once felt alive with birdsong slowly became silent. Only horns remained. Small kids, pregnant ladies, elderly peoples can't take peaceful sleep, or they can't enjoy their peaceful life. One day, Arjun's teacher gave the class a project. Find one problem in society and try to solve it. While returning home, Arjun noticed something strange. Whenever traffic became noisy, birds flew away, dogs became scared, people looked irritated. Trees near roads looked dry and dusty. He decided to study noise pollution. He visited doctors, animal rescuers, and environmental experts. Everyone said the same thing. Too much honking harms mental health, increases stress, disturbs animals, and damages the environment. Arjun became shocked. That night, Arjun sat under the old banyan tree. Suddenly, in his imagination, the tree began to speak. Tree. For years, I gave shade, oxygen, and shelter. Birds sang on my branches. Animals rested near me. But now, all I hear is anger and noise. The birds are leaving. The animals are suffering. Even humans are losing peace. Arjun's eyes filled with tears. The tree continued. People think horns save time, but they are slowly destroying silence, kindness, and nature. The next day, Arjun started a campaign called Use Horn Only When Necessary. Children made posters. Silence saves lives. Don't scare birds and animals. Hospitals need peace. Less horn, more humanity. Traffic police joined the campaign. Drivers slowly understood the message. People began reducing unnecessary honking. Weeks later, the city slowly changed. Birds returned to the banyan tree. Dogs slept peacefully again. Hospital patients rested quietly. For the first time in years, people could hear the sound of wind, children laughing, and birds singing. Arjun smiled at the old tree. The tree stood silently in the golden sunlight, as if thanking him. We are not telling ban the horn. We are telling horn the vehicles when it's necessary. Some people horn really when it's necessary only. I appreciate that. But some of them doing it's their habit. Full of traffic jam, in signals, they can stand quietly, but they are continuously doing in signals also. Without green signals, they can't go, but still they are doing horn. Avoid the unnecessary horns all time. It's my small concern about society. Like, share, and subscribe the channel for more interesting stories.